Hello guys, welcome to this awesome video tutorial once again. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you the step-by-step process involved in generating these AI images that are showing on your screen right now. These 3D AI key holder images that are shown on your screen right now. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step involved in generating them. Okay, if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I post new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to like and share the video so that other persons can get to learn this same thing. Okay, let us not waste much of our time talking. Let's head straight into the business. Alright, so this is my Google Chrome. I'm going to open my browser and I've opened it. This is my Google Chrome right now. So I'll go over to my search box and I'm going to type in Microsoft Bing. Microsoft Bing. Okay, it's going to load this way. You see this one that says www.bing.com. That is the one we're going to use. What we are going to click on is this image creator. So you're going to click on image creator, and then this is the space right now. So what you are going to do is you are going to copy the prompt. All right, don't worry, the prompt is in the description of this video. So go to the description section of this video and copy the prompt right from the description of this video, and I'm going to post it right here. So I'm just going to paste it right here. Okay, so I'm going to ask this Microsoft Bing to generate the 3D caricature of a boy keychain in the palm of the hand, high quality realistic photo, and there is the name James in 3D letter style, embossed and realistic in black, yellow, and let me just say purple and white. Okay, then below the number, you can put your number there. You can edit it whatever color you want. You can put the color right there. Okay, so you click on create and it will start creating. Okay, so when it's done creating, it's going to show the images that has been generated. All right, it's still creating, so I'm going to give it a little time so that it will load. Okay, what you want to do for me is to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I post valuable videos such as this particular one. All right, it's done loading and here we are. Wow, this is awesome. So I'm going to download this. All you need to do is just to click and hold it down and then click on download. Then you swipe to the left, click and hold it down and click on download. You swipe again, click and hold it down and click on download. Alright, any one of your choice, okay? Anyone you like. So you can go over and change the prompt again. I'm going to generate for a female right now. So let me just put it right inside here. I'm going to post it. So you can go to the description of this particular video and copy the prompt from there. Okay, so I'm going to click on create right now and it will start creating. So right, it is creating our images. It's creating our images right away. You can give it a few minutes so that it will be done creating. So you can create as many as you want. If you don't like what you are having, you can create as many as you want. So you can click on it. You see that Sarah, click and hold it down and then download. Click and hold it down and then download. Do the same thing here, download. I love this. If you don't like the image that was generated, just go over and click on create again. So you click on create again and it will start loading afresh. Okay, it will start loading afresh. It's gonna generate maybe 3 or 4 images again. Then you can select the one that you want. All right, it's that simple. It is that simple. Wow, this is awesome. So any prompt you give to it, you can change the color, you can do whatever you want to do with it, and it's gonna give you exactly what you ask it to do. Okay, it's gonna give you different options and then you're just going to select the one that you want. So click and hold it down and then download. All right, so you can copy the prompt from the description of this video and make sure you practice what you've just learned. All right, thank you so much for staying around till now. If you've not hit the subscribe button, please do that right away. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I post new videos that are as valuable as this. All right, I remain my humble self, always bringing valuable content your way. Till we meet again, do have a wonderful time. Bye.